On today's installment of Big Al's Garage, car show time. How y'all doing? I'm Big Al, and tonight we're not in the garage. We're at the first annual Eat and Roll Car Show in Duncan, South Carolina. Here with my family, we just checked out some of the awesome food trucks. Now let's go check out the car show. All right. This beautiful fall evening here in Duncan. City of Welford has this Challenger patrol car for the traffic safety unit. Look at this. Oh. She's a beauty. Welcome. What? Very cool bill. Look at this one. And you thought Buick only made boring old man cars. Well, cool Fox body. OBS step side. '95 Viper, V10 motor. This is one of the true classics of the 90s. You got a Fox body, you got a nice OBS. Cool Woody. And this sweet Mercury Cougar. And this beautiful Mustang. Nice Mustang.
Thank you.
What year?